Hi everyone, today we're going to be testing out the audio recording capabilities of the GoPro Max 2. This thing is equipped with 6 microphones, so it should be able to capture really great audio. And I think we've got a really good scenario here to show it how it handles both recording my voice and recording the ambient noise around. We've got a breeze blowing through, we've got birds singing, we have some distant planes flying overhead occasionally. Got the squeaking of the windmill, so a lot of ambient noise in addition to my speech. So I'm going to walk around the camera and show how the audio changes as I walk around it. Just like this, I'm going to keep talking. Hopefully this camera really delivers on its promises of great onboard audio recording, because it is supposed to have a particularly good microphone array according to GoPro. So it'll be really cool to see if that works out and if this is a really legitimately great onboard recording solution. Anyway, I've kind of run out of things to say, so let me know in the comments below what do you think of the audio recording capability, and also go check out the camera comparison that I did yesterday, which has a lot of comparison both of video quality and of audio quality. I did both a speech comparison and an ambient audio comparison between the GoPro Max 2, the DJI Osmo 360, and the Insta360 X5. So this is kind of supplementary to that, more of a focus test of the audio recording capabilities of the GoPro Max 2 itself. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!